bagong tuig, Bag-ong Kapuso Artist ang inyong maila-ila. She is beauty and brains, and she is set to make her mark in show business as well. Busa, let's all get to know her better. Let's all welcome Gabrielle Hahn. Maayong buntag, Gabrielle, and welcome dito sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Hello at maayong buntag sa lahat. Hello po.
How are you, Gabrielle? Happy New Year pala, ha? Kumusta yung New Year celebration mo?
Happy New Year po. I'm good po. Mabuti naman po. I'm just focusing on my career po as a new GMA actress. Been doing a couple of workshops and attending seminars. So, masaya naman po.
We're so excited for you na tumahak ka dito sa showbiz career mo, Gabrielle. And of course, we'd like to get to know more about you kasi you have a very impressive resume. You earned a degree on European Studies and you took up your master's in Governance and Regulation in Germany. Why did you choose to study this degree, Gabrielle?
I started as a psychology major. Then I realized it wasn't for me. Then I shifted to business management. Tapos I realized that I wanted to gear myself towards the international business industry. So hence European Studies in International Business and Economics. Tapos sinabi ko sa sarili ko, tuloy ko na. So nag-masters na rin ako here kasi I enjoyed the course naman. So that's how it started po.
Ang galing naman. But while you were also in school, you were also a part of your school's varsity chess team. Kasi I'm sure marami tayong mga viewers na parents and students who are watching us right now. Ano ba yung mga benefits or mga skills that you get to hone from playing chess?
I was a UAAP chess player back in Ateneo, and it's really, you focus more on the analytical side. When it's a long game, it requires a lot of patience. So that's one po. You gain a lot of patience, you work your mind, and it's a lot of analytical skills. So yun po.
And of course, aside from your achievements, you'll be building up another one by joining show business. But for now, take us from the beginning, Gabrielle. What made you enter show business? At paano ka din na-discover?
I actually started with print ad modeling 2 years ago. I get a call from GMA inviting me to make an audition. So I think I had to do 3 auditions in total. And then nagustuhan nila ako.
And you deserve it kasi I'm sure you put in a lot of hard work and dedication dito sa show business. And now na andito ka na, isa ka ng kapuso, may dream role ka ba or dream project?
My dream project would definitely to be part of an action film. I would love to be a superhero. Ang saya ng idea na
sana soon mangyari talaga yan, Gabrielle. How about among the male artists, sino yung gusto mong maging leading man?
Siyempre, yung leading rin sa industry, si Alden, at saka kung papayag si At Carla, si Tom.
And this 2021, Gabrielle, what are your goals that you really want to achieve this year? Ano yung mga lessons then that you got from 2021 that you are taking with you this new year?
Sana po makasama na ako sa isang teleserye. Kasi right now, I'm really working hard for it. I'm training so hard para maging isang mabuti akong artista. Tapos, one lesson I learned this year is to cherish every moment. Kasi tulad ng COVID, hindi natin inasahan yon pero nangyari. So, we just have to seize the moment and just enjoy life.
Totoo talaga yan. There are so many things to enjoy and to be grateful for, lalo na ngayong 2021. So please thank everyone and of course, give your message of hope and inspiration, lalo na sa mga fans and followers mo.
Abangan niyo po ako. Sisikapin ko maging isang mabuting artista para mapasaya ko po kayong lahat.
Thank you so much, Gabrielle, for spending time with us this morning.
Thank you.
Thank you.